Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at a comma rule. This is how you can use commas to separate items in a series or a list. Let's take a look at this rule. So there are actually two variations of this rule, and I'll show you both of them so that they both make sense. One is called the Oxford comma, and the other is called the AP or Associated Press comma. So the general rule is that you will use a comma between each item when listing items in a series. Now, according to the Oxford comma rule, writers include a comma between each item in a series, each and every one of them. And the AP comma includes a comma between all but the last two items in a series. So if you need to see that in an example, because this will help it to make more sense, let me show you this. So our sentence is this first one here. When you go to the store, please pick up peas, kale, and mushrooms. Now the Oxford comma manages this sentence by adding in two commas. When you go to the store, please pick up peas, comma, kale, comma, and mushrooms. In that Oxford comma, using that rule, that variation of the rule, we're going to put in two commas there. Now at the AP comma, when you go to the store, please pick up peas, kale, and mushrooms, we only add in one comma in between peas and kale. We do not add in the second comma between kale and the word and. When using commas in this way, where you're using them for items in a series or items in a list, you may run into situations where you have people who have strong opinions about which variation of the rule to use. Some people love the Oxford comma, some people love the AP comma, Associated Press comma. So if you're working with a teacher, an editor, a boss, or something like this, some person who has strong feelings, you may want to follow their rules. Otherwise, if you don't have pressure from someone to choose one of these two or to do one or the other, choose the one that works best for you. Let's take a look at another example. After we packed up the living room, we packed the office, bedroom, and bathroom. So according to the Oxford comma version of this, we're going to add in two commas here. After we packed up the living room, we've already had that comma from before. We packed the office, comma, bedroom, comma, and bathroom. So the Oxford comma puts a comma in between each item in the series or each item in the list. The AP comma, let's look at this example. After we packed up the living room, we packed the office, comma, bedroom, and bathroom. There is only one comma that's been added here. It's in between office and bedroom. So again, two variations of the same rule. Pick the one that works better for you, or if you're working with a person who insists that you use one over the other, do that. Otherwise, I hope that this is helpful to you. I hope this is useful for your writing, and good luck with your writing.